With your Electrolux dual fuel range, you can create baked goods that bring out nature's goodness. Learn how with these simple tips and tricks. Make sure your oven is clean prior to baking. Food debris and grease on oven surfaces can cause smoke or burn off, so make sure you regularly wipe messes to avoid baked-on buildup. When it comes to baking, you have two bake functions: bake and convection bake. Bake utilizes heat coming from the top and bottom of the oven at the same time and is suitable for cooking one dish at a time. It's perfect for all types of roasts, breads, and cakes, and is also suitable for fatty meats like turkey and duck. Convection bake uses a fan to evenly and continuously circulate hot air around your food for faster, more even results, and allows different foods to be cooked on several levels efficiently without odors mingling. Now it's time to bake. Press the oven mode knob to see the default display and select Bake. Turn the oven temp timer knob to select the temperature you want to set for your oven. Press the oven temp timer knob to adjust your cooking time. Press and hold the oven temp timer knob until Start flashes on the display. Press the oven mode knob to start cooking. Note: if a cook time is set, the oven will turn off automatically when completed. The bake setting will always be preceded by preheating. The temperature icon and the bar segments flash to indicate that the oven temperature is increasing. When preheating is complete, the bar segments and the icon become steady. An audible tone will signal the end of preheating. When baking, it's also important to remember that the oven rack position matters. Rack position recommendations can vary based on single or multiple rack use, the type of food you are baking, or if you are broiling. When using a single rack, place the rack so the food is in the center of the oven. If you need help inserting or removing your racks, or learning what position is best for your baking needs, refer to your use and care manual. Next, let's go over some general tips for better baked goods. Fully preheat the oven before baking items like cookies, cakes, biscuits, and breads. We recommend using convection bake when baking cookies or cakes on multiple racks. You will want to pull your pans to the front of the rack, unless baking layer cakes. Allow at least 2 inches of space between bakeware for proper air circulation. Leave oven lights off while baking. Always check your recipe before baking. When using convection, ensure recipes are adjusted accordingly. Reduce the oven temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius, or use the convection convert option. When baking, even the smallest details matter, like the bakeware you use. Shiny aluminum and non-coated bakeware are best for even heating. It also works great for all baked goods. Dark metal or glass bakeware cooks hotter, so you may think your oven is too hot. It's best to reduce your cooking temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit or 14 degrees Celsius to avoid overcooking or burning your food. Last, insulated bakeware actually cooks cooler, giving the perception your oven may not be hot enough. You will need to increase your cooking temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit or 14 degrees Celsius for the best results. Now that you're familiar with the baking functions in your dual fuel range, you can begin enjoying more effortless cooking experiences. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.